in a compound light microscope. 1. Lenses reflect light to magnify the image of the specimen observed. 2. Resolution power is inversely proportional to the wavelength of light. 3. The image produced by the eyepiece lens is magnified by the objective lens. 4. The maximum magnification is usually 600 times of the actual size of the object. 5. Resolution power is 0.2 millimeters. Compound light microscope. Parts of the compound light microscope. Mirror. Reflect light, which flow through the specimen. Provide light to illuminate the specimen. Stage. A platform that holds the slide for observation. Slide. A thin piece of glass that holds the specimen. Objective lenses. 3 or 4 lenses are found, with different ranges of magnification. Eyepiece lens. Part of the microscope, through which we observe the specimen. Coarse adjustment screw. Used for initial focusing. A rapid control, which allows for quick focusing, by moving the objective lens, up and down. Fine adjustment screw. Used to get a sharp focus, by high-power objective lenses. Arm. Supports and connects the eyepiece lens to the base. Uses to handle, when carrying. Base. Supports the upper parts. Light microscope consists of 2 convex lenses. One acts as the objective lens, while the other one acts as the eyepiece lens. Lens closer to the specimen is called objective lens. The lens, which we keep our eye closer to observe the image, is called eyepiece lens. Converging light by a convex lens. The way that images are formed by a convex lens is explained below. Light rays which runs parallelly to the principal axis, and through focal point, are refracted and meet at a point. The image is formed at the place where the refracted rays meet. Light rays, which runs along the pole of lens, do not refract and runs directly. They will also meet with refracted rays at the same point, and can be used to determine the place where the image is formed. The size of the image is changed according to the place where the object has been kept. The image is gradually getting larger when the object is getting closer to the lens. It produces a large virtual image when the object is in between focal point and the lens. The mirror of the light microscope reflects visible light, and this reflected light then passes through the specimen, which is on the stage, and the 2 lenses. Light from an object passes first through objective lens, that is through the specimen on the slide, and produce a magnified image. Then, this image acts as an object for the second lens, that is the eyepiece lens, and further magnifies the image by the eyepiece lens. Initial image. Final image. This is the one which we observe through the compound light microscope as a magnified image of the object. Resolution power and the magnification are important parameters which can be seen in a light microscope. Magnification is the ratio of an object's image size to its actual size. Total magnification equals magnification of objective lens into magnification of eyepiece lens. Usually the maximum magnification of light microscope is 1000 times the actual size of the specimen. Resolution power is minimum distance between 2 points that can be distinguished as separate points. Resolution power of light microscope is 0.2 micrometers. Magnification is limited due to the resolution power. Resolution power of the light microscope is inversely proportional to the wavelength of light. Accordingly, the first statement is incorrect, because lenses do not reflect light. Though they magnify the image of the specimen observed, they magnify the image by refracting light as described above. The second statement is correct because resolution power of the light microscope is inversely proportional to the wavelength of light. The third statement is also incorrect. The image produced by the eyepiece lens is not magnified by the objective lens because the image of the object is produced first by the objective lens. Then that image is magnified by the eyepiece lens. Secondly, the fourth statement is also incorrect because usually the maximum magnification of light microscope is 1,000 times the actual size of the specimen, not 600 times. The fifth statement is also incorrect because resolution power of the light microscope is 0.2 micrometers, not 0.2 millimeter. If it is measured in millimeters, it should be 0.002. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.